Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I will show you how you can make emojis bigger on iPhone iOS 18. As you can see right now here showing emojis in smaller size. So in this video I will show you how you can make it bigger on your iPhone. First of all, you need to close that, and after closing that you need to tap on iPhone settings again. Okay, in settings section you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen brightness, display and brightness. Okay, let me tap in that. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen showing here option, scroll down below and tap on display zoom, tap on that. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen showing here default, and in the side you can see appears on screen larger text, tap on that. After that you need to tap on done. Okay, and use zoomed, it will take some second. Okay, after that you need to open your iPhone again and check the emojis. You can see appears on screen right now emojis showing bigger than previous. Okay, so by do that simple step you can easily make your emojis bigger than smaller. Okay, after that you can see appears on screen how to do that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.